Welcome to your math channel. Here you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Here's another exam question. Let's get to today's exercise. X times x plus 4 minus 3 times 2x minus 5. How can this be rewritten? Option A, B, C, or D. Let's go straight to the point. Let's use the distributive property. X times x, and then x times 4. X times x equals x squared. X times 4 equals 4x. So x squared plus 4x minus 3 times 2x equals minus 6x. Minus 3 times minus 5 plus 15. 3 times 5 is 15, and a negative times a negative gives a positive. So it ended up as x squared, for minus 6 equals minus 2x plus 15. Quick and straight to the point here. Using the distributive property, we got the answer, which is option D. Option D is the equivalent form of the original expression. Quick and straight to the point. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment. See you in the next video.